I guess I cleaned this place out. I killed 2 bear. I don't know how many bison. Some pronghorn. And some mule deer. Mule deer were running fine and fancy free yesterday. But it was more toward the evening, so yeah. Over here on Silver Ridge today, checking it out because there is this really weird place, y'all, that if you go there, it makes the craziest sound. Nobody can figure out what that animal is. It just every time you go there, it sounds like a huge T-Rex or something. Let's see. I'm gonna try to go there and see if you can hear it. It's by Lake Prospect. You see these 3 lakes? They got 1, 2, 3. And I believe this is the one. And I put a tent right by the stand. So I'm going to fast travel over to there. Now I want you to hear this, guys. This is insane. When we get in that tent, this creature, whatever it is, you hear that? There is some kind of a dinosaur or something over here. I mean, really? You don't ever see it. There's no sound waves. There's no source of making that sound. I mean, there is nothing. But sometimes it gets really loud, like it is like right next to you. Crazy. Buddy's just a walking around. Hey, buddy, maybe we need to lay down for a bit. Good boy. Let me see here. I am having the worst luck today spotting animals. What is going on? Put a little spray out there. I know there's a lot of elk out here, so I'm going to go to my inventory. Go to my, get my elk scent. Let's go down here. Yeah. Let's try that. Let's make sure we get the fawn collar out. There it goes again. Oh my gosh. I wonder if the makers just put that in there just for fun, to keep us all guessing. It's crazy, y'all. Just crazy. Alright, I gotta get me some game. Try that fawn in distress. Man, where is it? I wish you'd come in here. Maybe get some bighorn sheep. I don't know. I don't know if there's any bighorn sheep in this area. I can't remember. I know I've seen elk and mule deer. Over here, haven't heard any jaguars except for that giant, like 500-pound jaguar, whatever it is, out there. It's insane. That's not what I want. That's what I want. Okay, let's... Alright. Let's see if we get anything in here. We'll get our bloodhound on it. Oh my gosh, guys. I hear a turkey. Well, not having any luck today, seeing much. But I just want you to hear that crazy sound. If anybody knows what that is or what's going on, I sure would love to know about it. I'm expecting any moment a T-Rex to just come out and them have put a... That would be pretty funny if they put a dinosaur in here. That would be awesome. There it is. Loch Ness Monster, maybe? It's just a tiny pond. It really isn't that big. Alright. It goes constantly. I mean, any time of day, if you fast travel to that tent, you're going to hear that growl. You're going to hear that sound. And it's just... There's no source. It just... I don't know. It's very confusing. It's pretty interesting, but at the same time, it's like, what the heck? I just don't understand it. It's not really making much of a sound anymore. But sometimes it'll stop for a little bit and it'll start up. But if I fast travel away and I fast travel back to this Lake Prospect area, yeah, it's going to be making that sound. So, alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. This is the Everything Nini channel because I'm interested in a lot of things. And, oh, there it goes again. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and maybe I'll put some other videos out there you might be interested in. So, alright, well, we'll see you next time. Have a good day. God bless.